What's up guys, and welcome to the video. I am taking my car and I'm going snowboarding with it. So I gotta get it pulled out of the shop. It's always that good part to be in a low car. I'm on my way up there to the very top. Not really, I'm more of like a bunny hill guy, which is on the bottom. But yeah, I should be there in about half hour. The last time I was up here in an R8 was in an R8 GT, and the time before that was in a Audi R8 where we took a photo of it in the snow that went super viral. I still see it 4 years later today. Wasn't expected to kick out that easy, if I'm honest. That got me a little bit. That would have spun me if traction control was off, but luckily I kept that in. Now we've got a snowbank taller than my car. I really hope I made the right choice by taking the Audi instead of the smart car with winter tires, but both are rear-wheel drive. I mean, hopefully the parking lot's pretty clear. From what I've seen so far from the other resorts, is not a clear parking lot and not very well plowed. So luckily it hasn't snowed in a few days, maybe. So it looks like I've made it to the big roundabout. That is the top of Big Cottonwood Canyon. And Brighton Ski Resort is right there. Once again, I also think there's a slope down to the parking lot. I'm really just hoping that it's summer up here is what I'm saying. Alright guys, I've made it. Got the GoPro, I'm gonna film. The battery's dying really quick, unfortunately. Honestly, I'm not really worried about falling today. It's more of, I'm more worried about if my car can get out of the parking spot. It's kind of stuck. Alright guys, session's over. I've got my snowboard mounted up. Finally found a use for my impact bar. Time to go back home to the warm. It's so freaking cold up here. Gotta switch out my shoes first. It's such a pain to take off. I wish I had ski boots, which were just clips. I don't think I'm gonna be lying when I say it's gonna be a cold start. Let's hope I don't go either into that ditch, slide into that car, or get T-boned. Pump the clutch a little bit. Oh, I forgot summers. It's so slippery. It's just gunk. It's not even like snow or slush. It's just dirt and mud. Car is definitely cold. Windshield's cracked a little bit more, which I promise, that's part of my New Year's resolution, is to get that fixed. Car is now up to temperature, which you know what that means. This exhaust so much. There is part of where he filmed St. Tropez, was up in that little crevice, and this is the canyon where they filmed all of his cars going up and down. It was pretty cool. I mean, it was a pretty cool video. It's a cop right over there, and it feels so good to go over 45 miles an hour, and I've made it back to the shop in one piece. And no dings or curved wheels or insurance exchanges. Feels good. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. That was a fun day. I was actually kind of scared about the Audi. I was not expecting my tires to not perform that well, because I've had summer tires on last winter and the winter before, and it did good. But since I converted it to rear-wheel drive, that was a mistake. If I would have known it was that sketchy, I would have probably brought the smart car, which has winter tires. But anyways, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.